Good morning, everybody. We are here. We're ready to go. We're looking good, but it's raining outside today. It's all right, man. We'll get it. We got CD Wit first in the chat. CD Wit, Moji, Gorilla, CD Wit, Moji, CD Wit, Gorilla. All of you guys, the three of you. So glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out. And, man, remind me not to rub my eyes. My eyes are itching so bad right now. So stinking bad that I can guarantee you, the moment that I touch them, it's game over for the rest of the day. So, yeah, if you guys, I want to touch them so bad, man. I want to touch my eyes so bad that it's ridiculous. Anyway, let's pull up a chart over here on Weeble and see what's going on. We got AMC, the top left-hand side of the screen, sitting at $2.97. GameStop sitting at $20.88. 2 weeks ago, this would have been an excellent price. Today, it's a horrible price. Down 5.65%. Shiba Inu Coin running up, bouncing back down a little bit. Shiba Inu Coin running up, bouncing back down a little bit. SHIB sitting at 25.55 at the moment. It is down 2.30% of the day today as it once again tests 2,600 points per coin there and gets rejected off that level. Bitcoin getting rejected at about 70,500. Bitcoin's looking very, very strong, guys. I mean, we are testing all-time highs here. Please keep that in mind. Ethereum running up, potentially going to test this $4,000 per coin mark again, and it's gonna display huge strength. Now remember, I believe Bitcoin actually hit an all-time high before the ETF was approved. Ethereum could do the same thing, so just keep that in mind there, that you got to keep your eyes on Ethereum. The Nasdaq sitting at 16,840, just above break even today. Dogecoin 16.8 cents, curling over a little on the minute chart. Ethereum 37.55, not really a curl, still above the moving average there, the 50-minute moving average. Shiba Inu Coin sitting at 25.58. Bitcoin 70,361. The SPY sitting at 530. QQQ 456. Mullen Auto 431. Sundial 236. Netflix 642. MPW 499. Tesla sitting at 180, man. Tesla giving back a couple dollars after yesterday's rally. Amazon sitting, oh man, look at Amazon's woo, up and down today. And you got Apple sitting at 191.76. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out in the middle left-hand side of the screen as we go, oh, well, you guys couldn't see the charts on the top of the screen. Sorry about that. Holy smokes, though, man, my eyes are, you know what, let me go, I'm going to go rinse my eyes out really quick because I can tell you it's both of them right now, and it's insane. If it gets any worse, I'm not going to be able to do this live stream because my eyes, they're just going to fill with welts, and it's going to be horrible. Let me go rinse my eyes out just real quick, and I'll be right back because I'm about to start crying. God. All right, we're back. I've got a rag, and you guys are just going to have to deal with it, because if I can put up with it, you can put up with it. You just got to see it, man. I got to feel it. Yo, Sasha Square, dude, what's going on? Mr. Non-Financial Advice. Bro, you need sleep. I know. Lukash, it's true, dude. What you're seeing right now is probably the allergies making my eyes real red. But yeah, I didn't. I barely slept last night. So you are right. I do need some sleep, man. But that's not why my eyes are all beet red right now. My eyes are beet red, dude, because I am just getting ripped by allergies. What up, guys? What's going on, Lonnie? Glad to have you. So this one time at band camp, yeah, CD Wit, exactly, man. Clay's number's gonna be skewed today. We are all rich. Yes, we are, man. We are definitely all rich. Anyway, let's go see what some of these cryptocurrencies are doing as some people roll in here. And if I'm lagging, I should not be lagging anymore. Maybe I was lagging at the beginning of the live stream here, but I should not be lagging anymore because the videos are uploaded at the moment. But let's come over here, see what's going on in the cryptocurrency world. We got two guys coming out and selling off of Super T here. Super T coming back down a little bit, but man, it is maintaining this blue line. Now remember, I've bought in. I'm pretty sure I am fully invested at this point. Highly doubt that I will be adding any more to this one. And I'm actually excited about this one here for a variety of reasons. Number one, T, right? T-Man, announcing, I believe it was last night or this morning, not exactly sure. I was reading the articles this morning, that his campaign is going to be accepting all cryptocurrency donations through the, I don't know, some sort of a Coinbase platform where you can go in there and make donations. Shiba Inu Coin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. If you want to donate, you can donate, all that good stuff, but clearly you don't have to. The thing that's exciting is that this shows the amount of, I guess, the willingness to embrace cryptocurrency. So, the same way that these T-Man coins began to rally, I think it was last week, when he gave that speech and he answered the kid out there, called him Goggles, and said that, you know, they plan on embracing cryptocurrency and all that, the T-Man coins shot higher. What I'm excited about is this one has not stepped on its rocket yet, but the one that I just got left behind on. You guys remember, the T-Man on Slothana is the one that I really, really like out there, but I got out too early in that I got out at that resistance line as it hit it, because every time that it hit it over the last couple of weeks, or the last couple of months really, it got rejected. Dude, you want to see it today? I looked at it this morning, it was like, holy smokes, you have got to be kidding me. And I come out here, it is up 83% on the day today. Would have tripled my line here. Would have tripled my line. Now, I want you guys to be very well aware of what we're looking at. You guys can see it on the screen. Unfortunately, people say, oh, yeah, man, you got out too early. You don't know what you're doing. I got out making money, so clearly something was right there. I just could have made more money on this trade than I did. And you never know, right? You never know how high things are going to go. But with the way that it's wicking up here, what do you guys notice? Okay? You notice that it's wicking up to the all-time high that it hit several months ago in February. So let's put another line on there so that you guys can see exactly what's happening. Wicking up to these levels. Honestly, if it doesn't close the candle above the current space, look where the candle bodies are. The exact same place. Okay? So traders coming in and willing to test what they were willing to test before. Now, after the initial run-up back in February, it was a very, very steep decline and a very quick decline back down below these levels where it channeled in this area and then ended up falling back down a little bit. Now, you've got this level right here that it's testing, using it as resistance currently. If it does confirm to the upside and break this level, this T-Man coin could be, beyond my expectations. And dead serious though, my expectations are 100 million plus on this coin here, which is crazy because it was trading at a $500,000 market cap a couple of weeks ago when it was down at this area right here. You guys could scroll back to when I was buying in right here at 0.00016, and so I still did good. Could have done much better. Could have 10 plus X'd, but or almost 10 X'd. But yeah, now I either get left behind on this or come back down. The only reason I'm showing you this one right now is to, one, show you that nobody makes a perfect trade, but two, this one's on a rally. Okay. The other one that we just looked at, I think it is, might be this one. Yeah. This one is moving higher nicely today, bouncing back up, which is why I believe that this one could be next. Okay. It's following this ascending trend line beautifully. It's got 7,000 or 8,000 holders right now. Yeah, I think it has several thousand or maybe 9,000 followers. It's got a lot of followers out on X as well. So they're doing well in terms of X engagement, but it's already been nearly 10 times higher on its immediate rally that it had after launching. So if it goes back up to those levels, guys, and 10Xs, it is, oh my gosh, the potential is ridiculous. So take advantage of some plays, man. It's a bull market right now. If you're thinking stuff's too risky, I get it, but that's what you're supposed to be looking at during bull markets is the riskier stuff. Hey, Clay, hope your day's going wonderful. You know what, Sam? I had a very good start to the day today, man. Had a very good start to the day today. Got a little allergy going on right now with my eyes, but yeah, dude, my day is going wonderfully. I hope yours is going wonderfully as well. Shiba Inu listing on a centralized exchange today. Yeah, CDWIT, let's take a look at it. Teddy on Solana, last four. VSX, oh, last four. This dude, crypto camo, man. Let's just, yeah, we're going to look at that right after Shiba Inu, but I appreciate you coming in with the last four on the contract address right there, because usually there's a lot, and then I'm like, which one is it? And then you guys take 45 seconds to answer, and by that time, I'm on somebody else's conversation. Alright, I think it's this one, man. Shiba Inu here on the daily. Shiba Inu on the daily, man, actually looking pretty good still. So you've got a very nice ascending trend line here with Shiba Inu, but you have some horizontal resistance as well. And if it is getting listed on a centralized exchange today, boom, boom, boom. It's not really breaking up through this resistance yet. So that's what I'd be looking at. I don't know, what is that? Nearly a 5% gain to get up to this resistance level and test it. So hopefully if you test it, you're able to break that horizontal resistance, get a huge influx of volume, currently 19,000 on the day. You need more than that. You're going to break through that resistance level, and hopefully you guys are going up to basically double and test some all-time highs again. So Shiba Inu not looking too bad at all because it is ascending, which is what you want to see. It's very, very difficult to buy into a coin that is only moving lower. You may have to continue averaging down for quite a time because you're catching that falling knife. Let's see this next one that I got the contract address on. Let's see. Teddy, VSXH. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. The guy's coming in with the last four. I like it. It's a lot easier. Okay, so Teddy is this is a little bit of a riskier situation right now because it is descending here, but you guys should be very familiar with this I guess pattern as well. You see this in a lot of the tokens like Shiba Inu Coin after they go on a run, and you've got your little bit of a bull flag here. So running up, hitting some lower highs, and then you've got the horizontal level of resistance, or horizontal level of support, sorry, taking place there after, of course, your initial bull market rally. So it comes out, it launches, people buy in, they take it up 10x, and now you're hitting lower highs with your level of support. So anybody interested in these bull flag patterns, you can check out Teddy on Solana. VSXH is the last four of that one right there. Where's my stats over here? $700,000 market cap, $100,000 in the liquidity pool, $40,000 in volume. So not huge volume, but not bad either, man. 40,000 over the last 24 hours, 63,000 yesterday, and 18,000 so far today. So not bad on Teddy, man. Hopefully Teddy continues to move up there. Let's keep this. Let's keep the T-man on the screen so you guys can buy in and we can make some money. That's what we need to do, man. We need to make some money. Let's see. If you can take a look at Swiftcoin's chart in a bit, that'd be great. I'm pretty interested because it's a small market cap blockchain, 4 billion circulation, 10 billion total supply. Absolutely, Sam. Swift coin. Let's try to take that. Let's try to pull that up on CoinMarketCap real quick. Ready for Sunday. 6 years ago, I bought my house on my B-Day. My portfolio is going to moon on my B-Day. 35 years in the making. Caesar, man, I am ready for Sunday. That's interesting, dude. You bought your house on your birthday, you say 6 years ago. I bought this house, I believe, in 2016. So what is that? 8 years ago, I think I bought this house, man. I bought this house 8 years ago, and then it took me about a year to completely renovate this house, and then moved in the following year. And I didn't buy it on my birthday, but I bought it very, very close to my birthday. So yeah, dude, we're basically in the same situation, man. We both bought that house around our birthday. I'm 2 years ahead of you on that one. You're doing very, very good, man. I hope we have the best birthday ever, Caesar. And I don't know, maybe we celebrate on Friday or something in here, but hopefully you can swing by if we do anything, or if we do any giveaways like that. But very, very nice, Caesar. Swift coin. Got to pull up Swift coin here. Is it this one on BNB? No, maybe it's this one. I don't know if it's this one or what. Hey, do what the other guy did and give me the last four. Quick Intel releasing Swaply soon. Last four contracts, C0B7. Let's check out C0B7 for Swift coin. Tell me that one. Quick Intel. C0B7 right here. 5 months ago was listed $340,000 in the liquidity pool, $4.6 million market cap. And you do have another kind of bull flag pattern right here as well. So major support way down here. But will we ever come back down to these levels? I don't know, because you are holding up with some very nice support right here as well at 5 cents. You know, the rough news of it is, if Quick Intel does come back down through this 5 cent level, you might have a little support at 4 cents. But below that, man, it's a pretty fast decline, okay? And just to take a look at it, right, the current trend line is down. So you are wedging down into this area right here. That's what you got to keep your eye on. You're wedging down into this area as lower highs are being hit, but support is holding up. So I would watch how Quick Intel responds in this area right here, between 6 cents right now and 5 cents down here at support. The last thing you want to see is a break down below the 5 cent line there. And what you definitely want to see is a break back up above that blue line right there. So hopefully it does break up above that blue line and you're good to go. Let's see. Come back down to the chat right now. General election in the UK, July 4th now. Oh my gosh. Is it coming up that fast, man? Jeez. T-Man accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Shiba, and OX. Great. I mentioned Shiba. Yeah, Giovanni, for real, dude. For real. I think I'm going to do my video this afternoon on that, talking a little bit about it and then relating it to that Dogeverse. But yeah, that is huge news, man. That's huge news for crypto. People aren't really, I guess, grasping the full concept of it, but it is huge news. Panda! Boom, 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 boom. Panda, man, thank you very much for the fist bumps out there. Appreciate you on that super chat, Panda. And so glad to have you in here right now. Pepe is up. Just dumped it at a 50% profit. Finally, I am free. Suzuki, man. Very, very nice. And let me say this, dude. If you want to grab some free Pepe, I'm going to be doing another sponsored video for Cryptonomy here pretty soon. Might be able to post it tomorrow or the next day. But I'm going to be doing another video there. They got a giveaway. Anybody who makes a deposit, you might have to use my link for it to track it and everything. But anybody who makes a deposit and all that stuff is going to be entered to win, I think, up to $100,000 in Pepe. And I think, I haven't read all of the terms and conditions and all of that stuff, but I think you're guaranteed at least $10 in Pepe, up to $1,000. So they're going to have a lot of winners on that, and it's kind of like everybody's a winner situation. So if you guys want to be adding some Pepe, make sure you guys watch the video that's got the sponsored integration for Cryptonomy in it, because they got a giveaway coming up, and they want to give some Pepe away. So speaking of Pepe, let's see where we're at today with it. Pepe up 6% of the... Dang, man. Yeah, Pepe is looking pretty good here. $5.6 billion market cap right now. I know you guys pay attention. I know you know what's going on right now. And Pepe at a $5.6 billion market cap. Okay? Let's see when Shiba Inu Coin was at a $5.6 billion market cap. Pepe is brand new. Pepe is just, it's hitting higher highs, all-time highs right now. Everybody that's in Pepe is making money. There's not a single loser in Pepe because it's hitting these all-time highs. 5.6. End of February, man. End of February, February 26th, 23rd to 26th, it cracked the current level of Pepe. So if you didn't have this run, basically 4x gaining in Pepe, end of February into the beginning of March, Pepe would be bigger than Shiba Inu Coin. Dude, I actually can't believe that, right? I actually can't believe that. Now, I know that SHIB has gone on a nice rally as well, but you notice the difference here. Shiba Inu Coin on the annual charts got that bull flag. It's hitting the lower highs over the last couple of months here, and it's got that horizontal level of support. So Shiba Inu Coin forming that bull flag. You guys can see it on the chart right there. You take a look at Pepe, right? Take a look at Pepe, market cap, annual chart. It's not bull flagging, man. It's breaking out. Huge difference in the two charts there. You know, it could be for a variety of reasons, right? People might be thinking that Shiba Inu Coin is too high of a market cap already or whatever. But there is a drastic difference in tokens that just a couple of months ago would have been equal in market cap. But also look at this here, man. Around the same time, Pepe 10 plus Xing in value to go from a $430 million market cap to a 500. It's about a 12x gain. All right, about a 12x gain in value over the last, I don't know, what is that, 3 months? And Shiba Inu Coin is 3x. Big difference in 3x and 12x, man. 5 to 15. 3x gain in value for Shiba Inu Coin. 12x gain in value for Pepe over the same period. Let's see. Hey, Geo, bro. Not much, man. Just work. Head next level is work. SWFTC is the tag. I did the same thing first, looking for it. Sitting at 0047 right now. All right, SWFTC. We'll take a look at that. Are you gonna wake up looking like you went 10 rounds with that throat? I'm telling you right now, dude. I might, because I can feel it. My eyes are a little bit better right now. But, dude, dead serious, I can feel it, right? I can feel the welts just, like, forming in there. And, I want to show you guys this, man. Viewer discretion is advised. The other night, it was a combination of... I don't think it was a cat the other night, but pollen. I was helping my brother the other day, and dude, you guys got to see this, man. You guys got to see this. Look at this right here. Dude, all welts, like hives, just straight up hives, out of nowhere, man. The pollen absolutely destroyed me the other night. I know you guys, like I said, viewer discretion advised, dude. Horrible. So Nick F is not wrong on that, man. Out of nowhere, It could go 0 to 100 real quick, and these allergies could flare up beyond belief, man. So Nick F is correct on that one. Let's see. Finally getting a day off. Next level. Very good, man. I 2x'd on Pepe so far. I want a 10x, baby. 10x would take... I think 10x for you, if you're 2x right now, you need another 5x. So, yeah, you'd be about a $25 billion market cap. Very, very high market cap, Caesar. Very, very high market cap. But dead serious? Dogecoin and Shiba Inu Coin were there a couple of weeks ago, and both of them far surpassed that during the last bull market. So, dude, don't lose money on it, right? If the Ethereum ETF comes out and everybody starts taking profits because they're out there buying the rumor and selling the news and all of that stuff, don't be afraid to book some profits. Don't let it come back down into negative territory on you. But yeah, dude, hopefully you do during this bull market see some sick gains and you 10x and make a ton of money. So late, like Giovanni said, because Richo bailed. Work does suck. Hello all. Actually, not a bad day today. Just meh. Another day vibe. There you go, Chris. and you know what, man? It is always. It's just another day. And even the bad days, dude, the good news is they end. And then you've got just another day afterwards. So, Chris, glad to have you in here. And I don't know where Rich O is, man. Maybe work got the best of Rich O, and he's not in here right now. No one will know I'm rich, but there will be signs. Bedazzle all my clothes with diamonds. All right, well, if we start seeing Caesar walking around with diamond-encrusted jeans, we know the dude's made it. Wouldn't be my first spend, but I guess that's what Caesar's going for then. Honoraria moons. Stick me with a fork. I'm done, baby. I'm done. How high is the moon for you on Honoraria, Moji? Let me know so I can get out right before you. Let me know. Because, Moji, I feel like you're gonna... If you dumped, I feel like it would be the lunar landing real quick if that happened. So let me know so I can get out right before you. I won't be ticking the price around, I promise. You might, though. What's going on with Slothana? Pampy, let's take a look at Slothana. I haven't looked at the price of Slothana today, but I do know that Slothana had a X post that they've got another poker tournament coming up this weekend. $10,000. Guys, like if you own any of these tokens and you just want to have some fun, you got to pay attention to the communities too. I can't imagine that there's a ton of people that are participating and playing, but dude, oh man, Slothana down to 3 cents. Slothana could be a good buy here. Let's take a look at this. Yeah, they got a $10,000 tournament coming up this weekend. So if you're interested in playing poker, double tap in this support here. Wow, it's coming back down, double tapping this support. Very strong level of support, and maybe an excellent buy opportunity. Let's see what the hourly looks like. Might already bounced off of it. Okay, so it's still coming down to test it on the hourly chart here. On the 5-minute chart, you still got a little bit of negative connotation to it. So I don't know if I'd be jumping in just yet, as you'd essentially be catching a falling knife here. But it's bouncing off very quickly off the 2.5 cent level. And would have been nice if this candle was green here, but might be using this 3 cent as a level of resistance now. So you got to watch that, as it might curl back over and retest the 2.5 cent level. So that's immediately where my attention would go to see how 2.5 cent holds up. Why? I might just go over to deck screener. Hold on. Because you could see this area when it began to run, or when it began to run, not when it began to ran. When it was running, it had a little support / resistance in this 2.5 cent level before. It's testing the exact same level today. So watch out for the 2.5 cent mark. It's currently sitting at 2.9 cents. Dead serious, guys. If 2.5 cents is broken, be very, very careful. I'll load the boat again at 1 cent if it ever stops on that. But if it does start to show major support in 2.5 cents, it could be an excellent buy. Could be an excellent buy on Slothana there. Has anybody been watching the transactions? Was there just a mate? Okay, so there are some pretty big guys out there. $10,000, $11,000, $26,000 sale. So there's some pretty big guys out there that might be affecting the price of Slothana right there. But yeah, definitely coming down at the moment. You know what, Giovanni? I don't know. Does anybody know if there's a deadline for the Ethereum ETF approval or denial? The only thing that I have been seeing right now is that the SEC is asking these institutions like Fidelity and BlackRock and so on to get their paperwork together and submit it sooner rather than later. So I haven't seen a definite deadline, but if you guys know of one, please let Giovanni know. Also, I see a lot of people in the chat right now. If you guys could please click the subscribe button. These live streams are not monetized because they are in vertical view. I'm essentially, doing vertical because it's got more views, more reach, more potential subscribers. So thank you to everybody who clicks the subscribe button. I do go live twice a day. I try to make it as interactive as possible. If you guys have any questions about stocks, cryptocurrencies, investing, I don't care if it's Forex, commodities, whatever, man. Been there, done that, and I will try to give you guys as much of my knowledge as possible and have some fun along with it as well. So if you guys are brand new in here, you don't know what the heck's going on, sit back for a minute if you want, observe, but I would really appreciate all of the questions, the subscribe button, and all of that good stuff there. So thank you guys all for being in here right now. Crypto beans, fees suck, but also force you to hold. Yeah, you know what? Crypto beans, they do, man. And I'll say this. I actually just made a couple, I bought some more of that Super T coin this morning, which is probably my final purchase. It was back down on that blue line. I'm in as heavy as I want to be in right now. So it is tough, man. If you're going to go out there and try to buy $100 worth of a token on Ethereum, you almost can't do it. Right? You almost can't do it. I think the gas fees that I paid this morning were $21. And if you're buying $100 worth, $21, man, you think you got $21 on the buy, another $21 gas fee on the sell, you got to rise 40% before you even break even. So it is very difficult to trade on the Ethereum network if you're not trading with larger quantities. That's why a lot of the meme coin traders now, a lot of these meme coins on Ethereum, they grow so large and the whales begin to jump into them because the whales can afford the Ethereum gas fees. But Solana, Base, BNB, the Binance Smart Chain, those are where the real meme coin traders are going because the fees are much lower. Dude, you can go on for basically nothing. Trade on Solana. You got to pay a little bit of a fee, man. I don't even know what it is. Maybe a penny. It's like 0.00001 Solana or something like that. I don't even know what it equates to. So very, very low fees on Solana. I know the fees on Base are low or non-existent. I've never traded on Base. And then BSC as well, the Binance Smart Chain. I think like 21 cents is where Binance coins are at. 21 cents to maybe $1 if you're trying to front run. But yeah, it is tough to trade on Ethereum if you guys are not trading very large quantities. Preacher says, Clay bro, morning bro. Where can we contact you about projects? Coin Cowboy wants to get with you. Preacher, dude, email me. Okay, email me. claybro883@gmail. You can email me there. And if you guys want to do some sort of a promo or something like that, or just have me talk about it or whatever, I can get back to you. I would say X, but there's so many fake X accounts out there, and then I got to follow you to DM you and stuff like that. So send me an email, man, and we can go from there. But I am very, very busy. Let me just make that very clear, dude. I'm very, very busy. A lot of people want a lot of sponsored stuff. Let's get Clip to a million subscribers so we can watch him wax his chest on live stream. Walter, please make sure that you say before 2025 begins, before the end of 2024, Because the last thing I want you guys doing is 5 years from now getting to 1 million subscribers, and then all of a sudden you're like, well, Claybro said he'd wax his chest. No, I said I'd wax my chest in 2024 if you guys got me to 1 million subscribers before the end of the year. Picked up some Super Tea yesterday. Johnny K, man. Johnny K, I don't know, man. Me and you, we're gonna be riding Super Tea to the moon, man. We're gonna be riding Super Tea to the moon. I got my bags fully loaded on Super Tea. If it goes up, dude, if it goes up to just the previous all-time high, gonna be rich. If it goes up just the same that the other T-Man coin on Solana is running right now, it is gonna be very, very good. Clay, the only issue I have with vertical screen is I can't do other things while listening. You know what? I think that you can change that. Can you not change that? I think you can change that in your YouTube settings. Yeah, you can change that in your YouTube settings, man. You can change it to picture-in-picture because I just did it. So you can still change that. I just did it right there. So that's probably your YouTube settings or live streaming settings or something. But you could definitely change it because I just did it. Let's see here. Clay, for crypto to get past the people are cautious phase, would the meme coins have to start being taken serious or get rooted out for the Bitcoins? And other serious names. Chris, that is an excellent question, right? That is an excellent question. And I don't know the answer to it, okay? I could go both ways, and I could argue that both ways, man. I think that there's a lot of people out there who will say, you know, Bitcoin is still risky. Bitcoin is, and if they're going to say that, man, no cryptocurrency is going to be safe for them. Even if it's regulated by the SEC, no crypto is, like, you think of Dave Ramsey, right? Dave Ramsey is not an idiot, but Dave Ramsey says some dumb stuff sometimes, like his interview with Andre Jig. And I'm starting to notice that these guys who are smarter out there that say really dumb stuff, I truly think they do so for kind of like the shock and awe factor, the engagement of it. Dave Ramsey basically saying that Bitcoin is a speculative scam and that you should never invest in Bitcoin. You should only invest in mutual funds and real estate. Well, dude, we know that real estate at any time, the bubble can burst there when people are speculating on their own mortgages and have no intentions of paying them. The mortgage moratorium and the rent moratoriums that were taking place during the lockdown days, that causes a lot of issues for a lot of people. Dude, there's a lot in any industry that, and honestly, everything is speculative. The United States dollar is speculative. Any currency in the world is speculative. Even gold and silver have their own speculative natures in the sense that, okay, man, it's a shiny metal. That's your utility for it. That's where it gains its value. So everything on this planet is only as good as the people that are willing to buy it. So let that be known, Dave Ramsey. You can chew on that for a while. So yeah, Chris, I could argue it both ways. It's tough, man. I don't know the answer to that one. People said Slothana was a scam, and now that it isn't, they're changing it up to Dogeverse is a scam. They're the ones who have been losers and leeches their entire life. Too many scams on base, though. I read 1 out of 6 coins on base are scams. 55 Brooks and Dawn, man. You listen. You're saying what I want to say. I see the comment sections of all of my Dogeverse videos, and you are like 6 levels above anybody in those comment sections. You are 100% correct. Any and every pre-sale, I guess, is considered a scam. Slothana, man, hit like 7x gains Now they're probably going to call it a pump and dump or something. Since Slothana ran up, made a lot of people a lot of money. You know, a lot of people got out of that 5-cent level. A lot of people playing with just house money now. A lot of people made a lot of money on Slothana. Even Doge 20, which didn't have as good of a run, fell quickly because everybody panic sold, myself included, right? I lost money on Doge 20, but from those lows, it's 7x gained, and I could have 7x my money from those lows if I would have just held. So, yeah, dude, there's a lot of people out there, and you are 1,000% correct. So, dude, if you would like, have some fun in the comment sections of my Dogeverse videos, saying the stuff that I wish I could say to these people, but I try my best to maintain a level of professional trollism by telling them that they're terrible without YouTube wanting to restrict my ability to leave comments on my own videos. I don't know Dogeverse, but I do buy something, but I don't buy something without doing research. I check addresses, locations, etc. I wouldn't just call something a scam because of the price unless you actually see a rug pull. Yeah, and you know what? You got to remember too, Giovanni, rug pulls are when the team, when somebody has access to the liquidity pool and they rug the liquidity out. Rug pulls are not when panic sellers come in, like what you might have on Slothana right now. When panic sellers come in and simply sell off, because that's their money. They put that money in the liquidity pool, and they're simply taking that money back out of the liquidity pool right now. If they put that money in the liquidity pool and the team took that money out of the liquidity pool, that's a rug pull. That's bad. That's what you don't want to get into. Let's see. Yeah, but whoever said that about the vertical part thought that the other day. I'll change the settings later. I just did it. I could show you guys, but I mean, I don't know what my settings are set as, but I do know that I can hit the home page and then it puts it in picture down at the bottom right. Clearly figured it out, but just not used to using the vertical screen format. No problem, Lonnie. No problem at all. I get it. A lot of you guys not used to using it at all there. Stop calling things a scam without evidence. It is very, very annoying, Giovanni. And it's very annoying as well because, dude, the way that it works, right? These pre-sale projects, and like Preacher, man. I don't know if Preacher's in here and trying to do marketing for whatever coin he was just talking about. But the way these pre-sales work, they hire a marketing company, okay? And they pay that marketing company to market the coin. All they're doing is saying, just disseminate this information. Try to keep a bullish tone, okay? You don't have to tell people to buy it, but simply let them know that there's an opportunity out there. And I 100% respect that, right? I 100% respect that because I don't want to tell you guys to go buy something. So I always want you to maintain the knowledge that your decisions are your decisions, and I'm not telling you to buy it. I bought in. I'm excited. That's my money. I do what I want with it. You do what you want with yours. But the marketing company gets paid by the project. And then the marketing company goes out. They try to find news sources to write about it. They try to find influencers to talk about it, to post about it on X, to post about it on TikTok, and so on. And from there, right, it becomes sponsored content. So I got to tell YouTube that it's sponsored content because somebody is paying for that content to be displayed. On top of that, man, they're more willing to work with you if you can drive engagement. So if I post a video on Dogeverse and I'm, Dogeverse sucks, don't click on this link down here, don't go check it out for yourself, never do it. Clearly nobody's gonna, some people might, but clearly nobody's gonna click on that link. But if I can post it and you can simply click on the link, right? The marketing company says, you know what? Claybro's driving engagement. Let's go out there and let's sponsor another video. Or let's do another video to bring more awareness because we can clearly see that it's working. It is getting clicks. When you've got idiots in the comment section who are just going out there and yelling, scam, scam, oh, it's a scam. Oh, dude, it's almost like they're in some sort of a delusional fit of rage that they yell, scam, scam, scam. And you know what, man, that actually does cause damages People read the comment sections, and when they see a bunch of bots just typing scam, 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 I lost all my money in this scam, it deters them from clicking. And when they're yelling scam without actually knowing that it's a scam, it does cause damages to the tune of lesser engagement, lesser sales for the cryptocurrency project themselves, and therefore potentially less sponsored videos for me. So it is not cool. It is not cool that these idiots are going out there and doing that. Now, I don't know what happens to the price after launch. Okay, that's the open market, man. Slothana went down, and people were very upset with it for about 3-4 days. And then it began to rip higher, and people got very excited about it. Dogeverse could do the same thing. Any of these tokens can do that, but none of them have not launched, and all of them have successfully been traded on the open market. We know that not everything is going to be a huge 100x winner, but man, dude, if you don't take the chance, moral of the story, just don't go out there and yell scam. It's pretty stupid. Did you hear today, T-Man's talking about crypto donations? Yes, I did, Brian. I'm going to do a video on that this afternoon, man. Thanks for looking up Quick and Tell and Teddy. I appreciate it. What's your thoughts on stablecoins? What's your top pick? All right, so listen, crypto camo, man. I'm going to answer it fast because I see a lot of stuff in the comments, and I got to get down to Jeremiah here. But I have the majority of my position is actually in stablecoins right now, okay? Part of the reason is I truly did not expect the Bitcoin speculation last October, when people began to start speculating about a Bitcoin ETF. I did not expect it to continue its rally as far as it did. So in a sense, a part of my position being in USDT, in a stablecoin right now, is because I got left behind. Right, I didn't jump on the train fast enough. But the other part is, I truly view cryptocurrency, I truly view these stable coins as an investment themselves. Not in the sense that you can earn passive income staking them, but in a sense that it is a hedge against the fiat system. Okay? Now, if you're in a stable, it's in the dollar spirals out of control, you're still going to be attached to the dollar, right? And everything else in the world might become a little bit more expensive, but you still have that stable coin. It's not something that is controlled by the centralized institutions, the banks, the governments, and so on. So I do view it. Majority of my position is in USDT. All of my stables on the Solana network are in USDC. I was going to move them over into USDT as well. I tried a couple times, and the transactions failed. So I tried a couple more times with the transactions on USDC, and then finally, like the third or fourth attempt, it started to fill. So I do have USDC on Solana, and I've got USDT on Ethereum and BNB. I'm still here, brother. Watched for a while. By the way, didn't hear your email to contact you. Well, it's on the YouTube channel, so if you want to click there. But it's just claybro883@gmail. It's also in the About section of the YouTube channel. Hey, how would people change the motive towards crypto to make things stick instead of chasing random percentage gains every other week? Chris, I think it's going to be a long process, but I think it's already starting. Okay? And it's going to take, dude, it might take years to decades to really change the motive. But with the SEC approving all of these ETFs, what you're going to end up seeing, man, is retirement funds starting to allocate a certain percentage of people's portfolios to Bitcoin. These mutual funds out there that Dave Ramsey just lives and dies by, they're going to start allocating a certain position to Bitcoin and Ethereum, these cryptocurrency ETFs. And at first, it's going to be viewed as a risk, right? But 5 years from now, 10 years from now, all of these kids who are starting their 401ks that are currently in high school or currently in middle school, dude, it's not even going to be a second thought, right? They're going to jump into their 401k, and a portion is going to be allocated towards Bitcoin, towards Ethereum, and towards the larger cryptocurrencies. They might be able to go into a blockchain fund, right, where they're heavily focused on blockchain technology. And from there, that's kind of when the mindset changes, and cryptocurrency is not a speculative asset, but it's an entire investment class. Jeremiah, thank you very much for the super chat. I don't know why you said rest in peace, all earphone users. Jeremiah, man, did you want a King Turkey or something in there? Or just rest in peace to all the earphone users right now. Am I getting too loud? I might be getting too loud, man. I don't even know. Everyone, Shib or Doge. I do not currently have any Dogecoin, but I do have Shiba Inu Coin. Shiba Inu Coin is great. It's Shiba Inu and the development team suck. Yeah, I don't really like the development team, man. Shib, Doge, Shib. Doge has Elon, always taking the underdog. There you go, Drew. Dogecoin does have Elon. Shib and Doge both good. Take your pick. Absolutely, man. Let's see. Clever. Thanks, brother. Absolutely, preacher. Is the point of holding stablecoin just so your funds are safe, or is there a perk to such coins? Just Jeff. Excellent question. So the main perk is so your funds are safe, okay? If you're holding Ethereum and Ethereum decides to go back down to $2,000 per coin, you're basically losing 50% of your investment. If you're holding a stable coin, it's just always going to be $1, right? Or whatever country you're in, it's going to be tied to your fiat currency there. So the idea is that it is safer. You don't risk the swings of underlying cryptocurrencies. But some platforms allow you to stake stable coins. So if you're holding your USDC on Coinbase, you can stake that and earn, I think, 5 or 5.5% or something like that. Just passive income, right? Doing nothing, and you're receiving passive income. So there are benefits as well to holding these stable coins that you can stake and earn, but it's going to be very, very minimal compared to what you would see, let's say, just the last week, Ethereum's up 20-30%. You're not going to be earning 20-30% on a stable coin. We're 15 years into Bitcoin and still can't use it at Jimmy John's or Walmart. It's not utility, it's a digital investment. Well, Daryl, I actually don't know all of the retailers in which you can use Bitcoin, okay? But you are essentially wrong in the sense that you can use your cryptocurrency to make payments. There are secondary payment processors. You can't walk in and scan your wallet, right? But Now Payments, Flexa, your Crypto.com Visa card, that uses your cryptocurrency balance as essentially your bank. And it deducts. So you go out and spend $100 at Walmart using your Crypto.com Visa card. That transaction is like fulfilled through Visa. But instead of using the dollars in your bank, you're using the dollars that are in your Crypto.com account. So you can spend your cryptocurrency at these locations. It's just facilitated through third-party providers right now that you can do so. I don't know, right? It is very easy. So if you're going to spend the money in your bank, you need Visa or MasterCard to do so. It's not your bank that gives you access to spend your money at Walmart. It's Visa and MasterCard that facilitate that transaction for a 3% fee that's charged, well, probably to you. Walmart's not eating that fee for you. They up their prices to cover that fee. So at a 3% premium, you're going out there and you're using the money in your bank, but you're doing so through Visa and MasterCard. They do already have things in place like that for cryptocurrency, for you to get a Visa card and you to spend your cryptocurrency at Walmart, at Jimmy John's, wherever you want to spend it, man. Hamid, I have no Dogeverse news right now. Continues to sell out, continues to look good. Websites are back up and running. No issues on that end. Coinbase card. Yeah, Trader 6, man. You're right. Let's see. Coinbase has a debit card. You are right, man. Let's see where we going. Have a good day, everyone. It is Mr. Normus is on it today. It is 1 o'clock, man. All you can do is turkey sound once more, please. All right, you got that one for free, Joko, because I'm feeling good right now. And it is 1 o'clock, so we're leaving anyway. Joko, have a great day, man. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. I would appreciate everybody that's in here right now. Show me 246. I don't know what the actual numbers are, but I would appreciate it if everybody clicked that subscribe button. These live streams, because they're in vertical view, they are not monetized. So, ad revenue's down a little bit, but subscribers are up a little bit. So please, take a second to click that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate all of you guys for being in here. And, of course, we'll do the shout-outs now. Trader6, have a great one, man. Daryl, see you later. Diamond Moonbag, Mr. Yeast, we got Joko. Have a great one. Dial-Up Survivor, saying hi. Thank you very much for being in here. Panda, have a great one. Gorilla Invictus, and see you later, man. Trader6, see you. Giovanni, have a great one. Jeremiah, Brandon, Moji, man, see you later. Trader6, have a great one, man. Joko, Giovanni, Crypto Beans, Doji Pattern, Neil, see you later, man. Ben Pay, see you later, Ben. Daryl, we've got Joko, Crypto Beans, Panda, Neil, Just Jeff, Neil. We've got DD214, Joko, Crypto Camo, see you, Giovanni, Diamond Moonbag, Doja Pattern, Jeremiah, not Ryan, man. Jeremiah, have a great one. Repost, Neil, Trader, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, MVP19, Manuel, Neil, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.